In this week's Ray of Hope, the story of how a father is using his son's memory to inspire change. Kerry Ann Simpson tells us more.
The death of a loved one is never easy. Feeling the emptiness inside, a constant challenge, particularly if that person meant the world to you. For Huntley Medley, that person was his son. He has been on a mission to keep his memory alive. He found the perfect tribute by giving back.
O'Dane passed last year, and we thought a fitting tribute would be to establish a scholarship fund that could assist students of his former schools.
Mr. Medley says his son was very fond of his former schools. 2 students have benefited from scholarships so far.
It will be annual. Every year, at least one student who is matriculating from Spalding Primary to Knox College will benefit from this program. And I say at least one because we hope to expand as we go along.
The recipients are grateful.
I think that is a very good gesture, and I really appreciate it and hope that he does this for other children.
I think this is a wonderful gesture. As a school community, we continue to be saddened by the passing of O'Dane. But I think this is an excellent way to memorialize a young man who understood what life was about and who lived life well, who was about excellence and all that was good about life.
Mr. Medley says starting the foundation in honor of O'Dane has helped him to heal.
If you think only of the loss, you get caught up in that, and I don't think there can be healing if you just think of the loss. So as painful as it is, I believe giving back and being able to do something that helps others will provide healing to anybody. Emotional is just an excellent opportunity to, as I said, memorialize my son, to reflect on the positive spirit that he always exuded, and to be able to assist someone else.
He says he knows this is something his son would have wanted, and so there are plans to expand the scholarship fund.
O'Dane was a special son. O'Dane is a very giving person. His spirit is always about helping others, and so we thought that to remember him, to keep his memory alive, and to keep that spirit alive, we ought to do something that assists others in the spirit that he would have wanted.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Kerry Ann Simpson.